back to my channel. It's Mocha Bombshell, and today I am doing a video on my Beauty Bakerie Cake Mix Foundation. If you want to see me demo this foundation, keep watching. But first, before we move forward, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit that notification bell in the corner so that you can keep up with all of my latest videos. So I went on Beauty Bakerie's website, looked at their shade charts, and I found that I was probably the shade number 15. Now their shades go from dark to light. So number 1 is the darkest shade. I also bought the Wake and Bake oil. It was recommended to buy this to go with this foundation, and given my experience with their cake face concealers, I was pretty sure that maybe the foundation was somewhat a waterproof type, you know, formula. This is the cake mix box with instructions on the back. I was in for a very, very pleasant surprise. It is telling me why I ended up getting 2 foundations and a blending egg. And it says, "Hey sweetie, we know that finding the perfect foundation shade online can be tricky, so to make the experience a little sweeter for your first foundation order, we're also gifting you the next closest match to the shade you chose and a blending egg to help you get that perfect baked beat." I thought it was so nice because I'd never heard of a company doing something like this. It just made me feel good. It made me feel like they cared, you know, about assisting me with finding my shade. I ordered the color 15. They also sent me an additional shade in the color 17. If you want to see my thoughts, just keep watching. We're gonna go ahead and get into this. This one is number 15 and this one is 17. So 15 looks more neutral, 17 looks a little more warm. Here's number 15. Okay, it's already oxidizing. As you can see, look at this one right here. It's already darker. The edges of this is getting darker, so I don't know, this might be the color. So this is number 17 before oxidation. As you can see, the edges of it are already getting dark, so I don't know. I'm feeling like number 15 may be it, so let's try that. Okay, so this is the coverage I'm getting. I do feel like this is a full coverage foundation. Definitely not sure if I can build it if need be. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then we're going to do a wear test to see how this holds up throughout the day. not buy a contour color concealer, but I will be using the Bronzer by Morphe. This one is Showmance. For my lashes, I'll be using the Ambrosia Lashes. I was sent these by Ambrosia and they are very, very pretty. Okay, so to finish up my face, I'm going to do my lips now, and I'm going to use the Chestnut Liner by MAC with Slow Ride, NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment, and I'm gonna top it off with Fuel from the High Shine collection by Urban Decay, their lip gloss. So this is the finished look with my Cake Mix foundation, and again I used the shade 15. So we're going to do a wear test, and I will come back later on and show you guys how this how the foundation is holding up, how my face in general is holding up, seeing that I use mostly all Beauty Bakerie products. Okay, so we're getting ready to head out. Again, we're gonna see how long this foundation holds up. You ready for me to beat you? For me to show you out in this gym? You're not worried about it? Okay, we'll see. We'll see how this face will look. I know I look a little crazy in the gym with a full face of makeup, but so I don't care. Post workout over.
How we do it?
Tired. But my foundation is still looking real good. I'm a little bit oily, but hey guys, so I'm back. It is now, what time is it? It is now 9:58. So I've been wearing this for about 8 hours, and here's what my face is looking like. I am a little bit oily in my T-zone area. This is definitely going to be my summer foundation. It has kept my face snatched through sweat, oil, all of that. And I mean, only my T-zone is oily. So that's a great sign. Thumbs up to Beauty Bakerie. I want to thank them so much again for sending me that second shade. I mean, that was so thoughtful, so sweet, and I really do appreciate it. Thumbs up this video if you did enjoy it. If you've tried Beauty Bakerie's Cake Mix foundation, leave a comment down below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.